Today I'm going to teach you exercise number 2.5 differentiation question number 7. If y is equal to under root 10x plus under root 10x plus under root 10x plus up to infinity. We want to prove that 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to secant square x. So first of all, what we will write? Y is equal to this term and we named as equation 1. How to solve this? By squaring on both sides. Square tan x plus under root tan x plus under root tan x plus up to infinity whole square. Y square is equal to this under root and this 2 cancel each other. What is left? Tan x plus remaining under root as it is, tan x plus under root tan x plus up to so on infinity. Y square is equal to tan x plus this whole term is equal to y. This whole term is equal to y. So by using equation 1, this term is equal to y. So we take in the left side y square, positive y becomes negative y is equal to tan x. Now we differentiate this we named as equation 2. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. D by dx, this is x, so differentiate with respect to x, minus d by dx y is equal to d by dx tan x. Now y square, first of all we will remove the power by using power rule. What does power rule? D by dx x raised to power n is equal to n x n minus 1. So 2y, 2 minus 1 becomes 2y, and 2 minus 1 becomes 1, and derivative of y becomes dy by dx, minus derivative of y is dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan x is equal to secant square x. Now 2y minus 1 dy by dx. dy is common from these two terms. This is first term and this is second term. 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to secant square x. 2y minus 1 dy by dx is equal to secant square x. This is proved. We want to prove dy by dx is equal to 2y minus 1 into dy by dx is equal to secant square x. Very simple question.